All right, you know, we back again at the Fashion Art Gala Part 2, doing the second round of interviews, getting everybody that's good. We got this photo booth here. I might as well get in this. So we're gonna introduce ourselves to some of the artists that are here. Jabri, Derek and Jabri. Okay. Golly. Hey, who? Bro, hey, we 3D. You feel me?
My name's Salim Garcia. I'm an Afro-Latino artist.
Yes.
Visual artist from Atlanta, Georgia.
Excellence. That's what's up.
Georgia State. I study film.
In the icy.
Woo!
Young Pablo.
Young
You know
Pablo.
what I'm saying? Scribe, you know what I'm saying?
Scribe, okay.
They'll produce, rap, sing, play the goddamn guitar, whatever you need, man.
Yeah. Harry Winkle. You don't need to tell nobody. Oh man, what's what? Oh, a spin. Nah. Golly. We got Brandon over here. Oh my God. Hey, you a photographer. What's your page, man?
Shot by Silver. SHOTBYSIMBA.
Oh,
Join the vision, man.
Yes, sir. Do you know he's the first black NASCAR driver? Like, this is a different vibe. Before the other guy, it was him. I got J-Rap himself. Man behind the lens. How you coming? Yes, sir. Introduce yourselves. What's good?
It's live.
Yes.
All right, man. I'm Rock, man.
K-Rock.
Courtney, man. CJ.
Morning. That's what's up, man. So, all right. So, how did you get the vision for this? Talk about the process, man. Or just give us some skill and details, man, as we look at this fit.
The other deal with this was, man, I used to go to other places, they turned me down. They said they didn't see the vision.
They ain't see the vision. So, what you had to do?
Keep pushing, keep connecting, keep working.
Make your own. That's how you had to do it. What's up? What's your name, bro? Good. Hey, my man, I like the colors that you got going on over here. I don't even know what this is. It's a burgundy periwinkle with the rubies and the cross. Oh, ashy burgundy. Oh, golly. Dang. Every kiss begins with K, but every kiss begins with this jacket. If K. What's up, man? Man, so you a very busy individual. Man, you do a lot of stuff. You're very hands-on in the creative community in Atlanta. Pretty much. And I ain't afraid to say you put a lot of people on with your creativity and your life. Hey, he not gonna say it, but we gonna say it.
But he did.
But he did.
But he did it.
You feel me?
But he did it.
So tell me, man. As the next generation, what's coming up? What's coming up? Cause like the next generation coming up and they trying to get some clout, but you've been in it for a minute.
Yeah.
So what's up?
I mean, you know what I'm saying? I just feel like the next generation's got to, you know what I'm saying, focus on themselves.
Yes, sir.
Really, you know what I'm saying, focus
Hey,
your mind in the
tell
game.
me.
And then when you get in the game, you know what I'm saying, the game's just going to come to you. You just got to do it that way. And,
Oh my
you know what I'm
God.
saying, make everything, you know what I'm saying, make sense like that.
I'm just gonna do a 360 so everybody can see who you are. Wow. So what are your names? What are your names?
I'm Crystal.
Crystal's on the left.
Taylor.
We do a spin. Can we do a spin? Okay. Golly. Oh nah, he coming clean. Oh, he coming clean. He coming clean. With the off weight on the ground. Okay. Okay, what's up? Jalen Frames. Hey.
TY.
T.Y.
SI.
You did. Oh yeah.
Real simple.
Oh man. Ladies with the fashionable fits out here. All day, every day. First lady of the house. Right at the first lady. Got the slit in the dress. Oh, golly. Let's go with the fur. I'm playing. No animals were hurt in the filming of this at all.
How you doing? You on the dime?
All right, I'm good. Man,
Good.
black slumdog millionaire. What's one thing that you feel like has been the most learning or gratifying experience about your journey itself?
Learning to be patient with yourself and be consistent.
Yeah.
Like, it may not always work out when you want it to.
Yeah.
But in those moments when you don't, like, you know, when you want to give up, you don't want to keep going, that's when you usually get your big break. That's usually when you get the next big thing.
Facts.
And that shows you got to keep going, you got to keep showing that you got it, bro.
Facts. Show them teeth, because they're definitely Colgate approved.
Something to be happy about.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Who is this guy? Cam the Artisan. What's up? What's up? You know we gotta talk about this. Golly. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Man, this is the embodiment of everything that they wanted here at the Fashion Art Gala, from Valentino hoodie to everything that this is to your outfit, sir. If I could just get a few seconds of your time. Wow, like, could I just get some names?
Okay, wait a second.
Yes, ma'am. No? Can't get the time. Okay, I'm listening.
30 minutes to give you all this
That's fine. That's fine. I don't need the details. I just need your time, just for a second.
Which one?
What's your name, first of all?
Delegating.
Your time?
Delegating.
Okay. And what inspired this outfit? Because
My life.
your
I've been
life.
doing it for 15 years.
And that's amazing, because, you know, as a young fashion individual as myself, right, we look ahead and think about what does fashion take for us going forward.
Fashion takes passion,
It takes passion.
dedication, love. And when you're depressed, you do this. When you're happy, you
You do this. Yes.
It's your life. It's what you breathe. It's everything. You cannot look like anybody else. This is me. This is you. You walk into a place, that's your passion.
Wow.
If you look like anybody else, I'm not gonna remember you tomorrow. Right?
Facts. Very true.
You need to give me a stamp. The guy that I saw that looked or did this. Not like the guy that had the $5,000 Balenciaga jacket.
Very true. Thank you so much. And again, one more time with this fit. Oh my God. And that is a wonderful way to cap off everything tonight. Thank you so much for this. It's been amazing. It's been amazing going through everything. You know, a lot of talented individuals tonight. A lot of amazing individuals tonight. We gonna. Any last words for the Fashion Art Gala?
Shit, man. All I gotta say is potential.
And on that note, we are done, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Next episode. Will Dre never stop? We'll find out next time on